All righty. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the main event here tonight at scootersportsbreaks.com. Happy Valentine's Day. I am excited for this break, let me tell you. Today's date is Sunday, February 14th, 2021, Valentine's Day. Tonight's event is the 2020 Panini Contenders Football 6 Blaster Box Break. Going to be huge. We're expecting some big hits. Let's hope so. Let's go over our starting lineup for tonight. Ben S. has the Cowboys. Chase C. with the Steelers. Dalen C. with the Colts. Gabriel A. with the Washington football team. Joe C. with the Jaguars, Lions, Cardinals. Joe C. also has the Bengals, Dolphins, and Eagles. Lisa W. with the Bills, Raiders, Vikings, and Bucks. Mark H. with the Saints, Falcons, Panthers, and Rams. Mark P. with the Packers. Sarek C. with the Ravens. Scott R. with the Broncos. Thomas K. with the Chiefs. And William A. with the Chargers. All right, I want to remind everyone I ship all cards, everything that you get from this break tonight that you bought into, you will get. Visit us at scootersportsbreaks.com. We have 2 baseball breaks tomorrow night. Topps Chrome Update Sapphire Edition, going to be huge. We're also doing a 5-box break of the Topps Holiday. One more time, we had huge hits last time. I'm excited for that. And then next Sunday, we are starting the 2021 season. We are opening 2 jumbo boxes of 21 Topps Series 1. I am excited for that. Going to be a huge night. Can't wait. All right, here we go. We're about to get into this action. I am excited. Let's get it going. All right, we have 6. For everyone that's on IG Live, there are 6 boxes. For everyone on YouTube, you can see it. 6 boxes. We're going to get into box number 1. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Wish you all the best. Can't wait. All right, let's get into this quick. Here we go. Box number 1. Good luck. Panini Contenders Football 2020. Box 1 empty. Let's get right into it. Here we go. All right, we are getting into box number 1. And we have a hit on the first pack. How about that? Hit on the first pack. We have Aaron Rodgers, TJ Watt, Ezekiel Elliott. We have Marvin Jones Jr., Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith, and we have a Cole Kmet. Nice rookie ticket swatch of Cole Kmet. Going to the Bears. Nice little green rookie card right there. Dap that up. We also have Jeff Gladney and Justin Jefferson in the round numbers for the rookies. Let's get that all dapped up. No cap and caps. What's going on? All right, for everyone out there looking for some great, up-to-date, all the hottest trends headwear, visit nocapandcaps.com. Also, Scooter Sports Breaks logo hats, along with the up and most coming trends. It is hot. Better visit it. nocapandcaps.com. All right, let's get this Cole Kmet right in here. Nice hit right here. Nice hit. We had that Jefferson in there as well. Jefferson and Gladney. Cole Kmet hit right there. Get those Scooter Sports hats. You know it. You know it. All right, here we go. Moving on to pack number 2. Starting off with Sam Darnold. We have DJ Moore, Ryan Fitzpatrick, Tyrann Mathieu. We have Alvin Kamara, Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, and we have a winning ticket of Aaron Rodgers, the MVP this year, winning ticket. Very cool card right there. What's going on, BMO Cards? How you doing tonight? How's everything? We're getting right into pack number 3. We had a hit on the first pack. Pretty crazy. We got Brandon Cooks, Tyler Lockett, Nick Chubb, Super Bowl MVP Tom Brady going out to the Bucks, Drew Lock. We have Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, and there he is again. Super Bowl MVP Tom Brady. What a card right there. That's what I like to see. All right, we are moving along. All right, we are starting off with Saquon Barkley. We got Darius Leonard, James Conner, Amari Cooper. We have Terry McLaurin, Matthew Stafford, Jimmy Garoppolo, and Rookie of the Year contenders J.K. Dobbins going out to those Ravens. Going out to those Ravens. Nice, nice, nice. What's going on? Going out to those Ravens. Alrighty, last pack of box number 1. Last pack of box number 1. Let's get this bad boy open. Last pack, box number 1. Here we go. We're starting off with Derek Carr. Derek Carr. Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, and legendary contenders Emmitt Smith. Nice insert right there for the Cowboys. All right, moving to box number 2. Nice hit on the first pack. Started off strong. Let's keep it going. Box number 2. Let's go. Remind everyone, 5 packs per box, 8 cards per pack, 6 blasters here. Let's hop right into it. Let's see. Box number 2. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. All right. Doesn't seem like it's going to be a hit, but we'll see. Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, the MVP, Tom Brady again, Drew Lock, Amari Cooper, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, and Rookie of the Year contenders Denzel Mims to the Jets. To the Jets, Denzel Mims. Wonder if this guy's going to turn out to be something. Not 100% hope. As a Jets fan, hope he does. But I haven't seen much. Maybe with if we get a new Q, maybe another year with Darnold under his belt would be nice. We'll see. Hopefully something big comes and happens with Denzel Mims. All right, we got Tre'Davious White on the Bills. We got Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson. Is he getting traded? Is he going somewhere? We don't know. Russell Wilson, same thing. Is he getting traded? We don't know yet. Oh, we got a Cole Kmet, Chase Claypool contenders right here. Round numbers, double card. We have... Oh, that will be going out to the Steelers. Steelers. Chase Claypool. Bears unowned. Steelers getting it. Very, very nice card right there. Round numbers. Little rookie action. Little rookie action. Oh, do we have a hit and a game-winning ticket? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We have a game-winning ticket, it looks like. Let's see what it is. It is Cam Newton on the Pats. Cam Newton on the Pats. Winning ticket. All right, then we got Matthew Stafford, Jimmy Garoppolo. Heard he's staying in San Fran today. Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins had a nice season. And the hit is Tyler Johnson on the Super Bowl winning Bucks. Tyler Johnson. Looks like that dark gray jersey that they have. Looks very nice. Nice hit for the Bucks. That's heading out to Lisa W. Very, very nice hit right there. Very nice hit. Let's get a couple of these bad boys out. All right. Very nice hit right there going out to the Bucks. Tyler Johnson, rookie, had a pretty good year. Another year with Brady, you never know. Another year with Brady, you never know. Could turn out to be something big. Tyler Johnson. Looks like that gray jersey, that nice dark gray jersey that they have. Pretty sick. Nice hit for them. All right, moving on. Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Derrick Henry, Phillip Rivers, Big Ben, Dak Prescott, Jason Witten, MVP contenders Drew Brees. Seems like he might be coming back for another season. He might, even though he said he was retiring, but it seems like he might be coming back for another season. All right, Jamal Adams, former Jet, Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Adrian Peterson, Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook, Tyreek Hill, and we have a Rookie of the Year contenders, James Robinson. You want to talk about a good year? This guy had a monster year for a very, very bad team. He had a good year. He was fun to watch. Had him on fantasy. He crushed it for a while. He is good back to watch once they get Lawrence next year. Him working with Lawrence is going to be huge. Gonna be huge. Rookie of the year contender James Robinson. Nice hit for the Jags right there. All right, moving on to box number 3. Box number 3. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. 8 cards per pack, 5 per box. Still looking for some of the bigger rookies. Haven't seen them yet. Empty. Still haven't seen any of them yet. Let's go. Pack number 1. Good luck. Travis Kelce starting it off. Oh, we got the hit in this pack again. Pack number 1. Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield. We have Derrick Henry, Jamal Adams, and we have a Lynn Bowden Jr. Nice hit right there. Very nice hit. And then we have a round numbers Jordan Love, Justin Herbert. That will be raffled off at the end. Not raffled. That will be randomized off. Excuse me. I'm sorry. My IG Live just went down. Just trying to fix it up quick. There we go. I think we are good now. Okay. That will be randomized off at the end. We have a round numbers Jordan Love, Justin Herbert. We will get that to the 2 teams. We have the Chargers, William A., and the Packers, Mark P. We will randomize that off at the end. I will make sure to keep it down here. All righty. Very nice card. Will be randomized off at the end. Let me get this in the top order real quick. Jordan Love, Justin Herbert. Nice, nice hit right there. Round numbers of rookies. All right, we had a Lynn Bowden Jr. And we had a round numbers for rookies, Justin Herbert and Jordan Love. I don't know what is going on with this thing. Excuse me for 1 second. Doesn't seem like it likes to work too much. All righty, there we go. Now we're back in business. Okay, we are back in business. Sorry about that. All right, don't forget randomizing that card off with Herbert and Jordan Love. Very nice card. Good rookies on that card. All right, DeAndre Hopkins, Phillip Rivers, Ben Roethlisberger. We have Stephon Diggs, Gardner Minshew, Adrian Peterson, Aaron Jones, MVP contenders, Jared Goff, who is now on the Lions. Don't forget, after that big trade they had with Matthew Stafford and all those crazy picks that they sent with it. We'll see. Is he going to be worth it? Not really sure. Is he going to be worth it? I don't know. What up, J Pants? Dak Prescott, Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook. We have Nick Bosa, Myles Garrett, Sterling Shepard, and a Rookie of the Year contenders, T. Higgins, going to the Bengals. T. Higgins. Too bad that couldn't have been Burrow, but nice T. Higgins. Nice receiver going out there to the Bengals. Very, very nice Rookie of the Year contenders. All right, let's get that dapped up. Nice Rookie of the Year contenders, T. Higgins. All right, moving on. We are starting off with Tyreek Hill, J.J. Watt. Where's he going to go this year? Wonder if it's going to be the Steelers. Juju Smith-Schuster, Mark Ingram, Jared Goff, Leighton Vander Esch for the Cowboys, Le'Veon Bell, and MVP contenders and Defensive Player of the Year, Aaron Donald. All right, this pack, last pack of box number 3. Here we go. We got Sony Michel, Larry Fitz, Austin Eckler, Mike Evans, Super Bowl champ, Josh Allen, Preston Williams, Dwayne Haskins, and another Rookie of the Year contenders, Denzel Mims. Double bonus for the Jets. Rookie of the Year contenders, Denzel Mims. Not too shabby right there for the Jets heading out there. All right. Box 4. Let's get this bad boy open. Good luck, everyone. Wishing you luck. We're rooting for you here. Scooter Sports Breaks. Don't forget to check our site out. We have 2 baseball breaks happening tomorrow, along with Topps Series 1 2021, 2 jumbo box break we are doing next Sunday. Gonna be big. Gonna be big. All right, let's see. What are we pulling out of here? Pack number 1. Marvin Jones Jr., Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith, Alvin Kamara, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield. We have DeAndre Hopkins and a Cam Akers and Van Jefferson round numbers. Another rookies. Couple rooks. Not sure where they have some on the same team, and then there's cards with people on players on different teams. It's that Herbert and Jordan Love. This is a nice card for the Rams to the future right there. Cam Akers going to be a solid back for them in the future. This looks like and seems like, yep. We're going to save this pack. We're going to save for the last one of this box. That seems like the hit. Make it a little exciting towards the end. Oh, I see something nice in here. I see something nice. Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White, Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, Dalvin Cook, and a Rookie of the Year Contenders, Joe Burrow. Going out to the Bengals. Nice hit right there for the Burrow man. Joe Burrow. Going out. Let's get him in here. Let's get this in here. Joe Burrow. Bengals. I'm rooting for him next year. Hoping he comes back strong. Hoping he comes back super strong next year. 1 second. Just trying to. What is going on? There we go. Couldn't get that thing in there. For some reason, it wasn't opening. Not sure, but Rookie of the Year Contenders going out to the Bengals. Joe Burrow. Nice hit. Don't forget, stay tuned for the recap at the end. We'll recap all the pretty much bigger hits that we've had this break. That'll be at the end of this break. Recap. We'll do a recap. Little hit recap. Matthew Stafford, Jimmy Garoppolo, Khalil Mack, Tyreek Hill, J.J. Watt, Juju Smith-Schuster. We have a Sony Michel, and then an MVP Contenders of Ezekiel Elliott. Second to last pack. Starting off with Alshon Jeffrey, DJ Chark, Ryan Tannehill, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, and we have a legendary Contenders, Eric Dickerson. Legend running back right there. All right, here's the hit pack. Let's break this bad boy open. Let's see what we're about to get. All right, Todd Gurley, Jalen Ramsey, Super Bowl MVP Tom Brady. We're going to switch this over. Phillip Rivers, Big Ben, Dak Prescott, and the hit is, wow, nice hit for the Cowboys. Can't forget to finish this off with an MVP Contenders of Baker Mayfield. But, whoa, double swatch of C.D. Lamb. Nice hit for the Cowboys. Double swatch right there of C.D. Lamb. Not numbered, but that is a sweet, sweet looking card. Nice hit for those Cowboys. Nice hit. Let's get this thing in the top loader. Nice hit right there. Cowboys. Double swatch C.D. Lamb. Great hit right there. Great hit. Awesome. Awesome. All right. 2 boxes left. 2 boxes left. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Come on. We want to see some guys here. We want to see some fire. Keep getting that fire. That C.D. Lamb, build off that. Build off that a little bit. Let's keep that streak going right now. All right. Box 5 empty. Pack number 1. Let's see. What do we got? Not sure. There we go. Okay. Oh. All right. Ryan Tannehill starting this pack off. Marvin Jones, Richard Sherman, Roquan Smith, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, and then Rookie of the Year Contenders, Michael Pittman Jr. Michael Pittman Jr. Nice hit for those Colts. Michael Pittman Jr. Let's see. Nice hit. Here we go. Let's get this bad boy in here. Michael Pittman Jr. going out to the Colts. Dalen C. Nice hit right there. Pittman Jr. Very nice. All right. Keep on moving. Keep on moving. Do we have... No, we don't. All right. Let's keep it going. Alvin Kamara, Ramsey, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield. Then we have a round numbers contenders. Lynn Bowden Jr., Brian Edwards. Nice hit for those Raiders. Get those good rooks. Getting those good rooks. Raiders. Raider Nation. Oh, this feels like something big here. And yes, it is. Oh, we're starting the MVP. But let's not miss their winning ticket, Patrick Mahomes. Nice hit right there for the Chiefs. Super Bowl MVP Brady. Drew Lock. Switch. Tre'Davious White. Josh Allen. DeAndre Hopkins. Phillip Rivers. And the hit is Van Jefferson, the go-to. Van Jefferson. Nice hit for the Rams right there. My usual go-to when I'm opening football breaks. Van Jefferson. See this guy, like I say, every single time I open him. I get them every break. So if you're buying into breaks here at Scooter Sports Breaks and we're doing football, you best be getting those Rams. You best be getting those Rams because you know a Van Jefferson's coming. Van Jefferson swatch, rookie card right there. Nice hit for the Rams. 2 more packs left of this box. All righty, let's see. What do we got here? Starting off with Terry McLaurin. Matthew Stafford, Jimmy Garoppolo, Big Ben, Dak Prescott, Jason Witten, Teddy Bridgewater, and then MVP contenders, Gardner Minshew. Not sure if he's really an MVP contender, but not a bad card right there. All right, MVP contenders, Gardner Minshew. I feel like that's a little bit of a stretch, but let alone that is a nice MVP contenders card. Seems like we have a nice rook on the back. Pretty happy to see that. Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, Marquise Brown, Aaron Donald, Dalvin Cook, Tyreek Hill, J.J. Watt. Where are you going? Please be the Jets. Then we're going to the Rookie of the Year contenders, Chase Young. Defensive Rookie of the Year. Guy is an absolute stud. Absolute stud. Nice hit right there for the Washington football team. Rookie of the Year contenders right there. Don't forget, stay tuned. This is our last box right here of the break. But stay tuned, please, because we will be doing a hit recap of everything from this break. Everything that's top loaded is getting shown on the hit recap. All right, here we go. Last blaster box, empty. Good luck, everyone. Good luck. Let's see what we're going to pull out of here. And we got the hit the first pack. Man, they keep mixing it up on me. Ryan Fitz, Tyrann Mathieu, Brandon Cooks, Ryan Tannehill. Let's switch. Ryan Tannehill, Marvin Jones, Richard Sherman. Oh, we're going to switch it real quick. Wow, Clavon Chasen to the Jaguars, and Patrick Queen is heading out to the Ravens. Nice hit right there. Don't forget Richard Sherman, and the hit is going to be Jacob Eason. Nice hit for the Colts right here. Rookie swatch, Jacob Eason. Very cool hit right there for the Colts. That is going out to Dalen C. Nice hit. Don't forget, stay tuned. There will be hit a recap at the end. Nice hit right there for the Colts. We had that rookie contenders, which will be going out to the Ravens. First pack. What's going on? Pellegrino's Pizza, how you doing? What is going on? Nice hit right there for the Colts. All right, a couple packs left, 4 packs left. Good luck, everyone. Hopefully we're hitting a big rookie in here. Don't forget to check out our next 2 breaks. We're having them tomorrow night, along with our 21 Tops Series 1 Jumbo Box break next Sunday. All right, get into this pack. Tyler Lockett, Nick Chubb, Saquon Barkley, Darius Leonard, Roquan Smith, Alvin Kamara, Todd Gurley, and the winning ticket, Michael Thomas going to the Saints. Nice hit right there. All right. Starting off with James Conner, Amari Cooper, Derek Carr, Jalen Ramsey, Super Bowl MVP Tom Brady, Drew Lock, Tre'Davious White, and MVP contenders Kirk Cousins. They keep throwing out these MVP contenders with some guys that really aren't even close to being an MVP contender. Not a bad hit, though, for the Vikes. All right, Christian McCaffrey, Adam Thielen, Travis Kelce, Deshaun Watson, Josh Allen, Terry McLaurin. Whoa! Cortland Sutton. What is this? Look at this thing. What is that? Going out to the Broncos. That is a nice hit right there. What? I don't even know what that is. That is a cool looking card. It's got a little shine, a little disco ball to it. Got to double check what that is. And then we got a rookie contenders, Jacob Eason. But that Cortland Sutton right there, that is something special. We got to see what that is. I'm going to check that out real quick because that is an insert I have yet to see here in Panini Contenders. That is something different. That's going out to Scott R. You got something special here. You got something special here, I'll tell you. This Cortland Sutton is there's something about it. It's almost like a chrome, but it's not. It's got that disco shine to it. That disco shine to it. It's not numbered. It's got to be something though. Let me see here. It's not a cracked ice, is it? Definitely an insert of some sort. Of course, I don't give. See, Topps gives the numbers out of how many packs, but Panini doesn't do that. But that is something special. Not sure. We're going to have to double check that, but that is something special. We're going last pack here. Good luck, everyone. That was a nice hit right there for the Broncos. Something I've never seen before, but very nice. Scott R., nice hit right there, man. That could have been made the whole break right there. That is nice. Russell Wilson, Baker Mayfield, DeAndre Hopkins, Matthew Stafford, Jimmy G, Khalil Mack, Michael Thomas, and then a legendary contenders, Randy Moss. You got mossed. Nice hit right there for the Vikings. All right. Give me 1 second. Let me get some cards together. I want to see this quick. I'm still trying to check this out of what that is. Playoff championship, cracked ice. Is it a crack? It doesn't look like a cracked ice. Cracked ice. No. Rookie ticket. Nope. Nope. Rookie ticket printing plate. It's not a printing plate because it's not 101. Legendary contenders numbered. It's not numbered. Coach's ticket, winning ticket, round numbers. That is a pretty wild card. Let's check that out again. Usually if it was a printing plate, it'd say 101, but it's not. It's colored. But that is something that's like a disco, almost prism type. Very cool card right there. Very cool card. Very nice. All right, let me get these cards together for a little recap, little hit recap. Let's get them going. Couple of the hits. Don't forget, stay tuned. I am going to randomize the Herbert and Jordan Love off, along with the Patrick Queen and Clavon Chasen. I got a bunch of Rookie of the Year contenders here. We got a bunch of hits. Bunch of hits. We got here. Nice round numbers. Rookie of the Year. Yep. All right. We got these. We got the Rookie of the Year. And we got these round numbers. Stay tuned. You got it, Scott. You got it. Appreciate you joining that break. Thank you. All right, Lynn Bowden Jr., Brian Edwards, Van Jefferson, Cam Akers, Chase Claypool, Cole Kmet, Justin Jefferson, Jeff Gladney, Clavon Chasen, Patrick Queen, and Justin Herbert, Jordan Love. Stay tuned. We are going to be randomizing these two off to the two teams that were bought into. Stay tuned for that. All right, Rookie of the Year contenders. Rookie of the Year. We're starting off with Jacob Eason going to the Colts. James Robinson to the Jags, Denzel Mims to the Jets, T. Higgins, Michael Pittman, Chase Young, Denzel Mims again, J.K. Dobbins, and Joe Burrow. 4-hour hits. This unbelievable Cortland Sutton. It looks like a Disco Prism mask. A little different than the other ones, but this is nice. Not numbered, but very nice hit for the Broncos right here. Very nice hit for the Broncos. We got Van Jefferson heading to the Rams. We got Jacob Eason going to the Colts. Colts had a nice break. Cole Kmet going to the Bears. Nice hit for the Bears right there. Lynn Bowden Jr. going to the Raiders. Very nice hit for the Raiders. Tyler Johnson to the Super Bowl winning Tampa Bay Bucks. Very nice hit right there. And we had a double swatch of C.D. Lamb heading on out to those Cowboys. All right, give me 1 second. Let me get this computer up here. We're going to randomize these two teams off. Two cards, excuse me. Let's get this going real quick. Let's get this going. What do we got going on here? All right, starting it up real quick. Stay tuned. We have the Clavon Chasen and Patrick Queen, and the Justin Herbert, Jordan Love. These two cards will be getting randomized. Just getting on this computer. Let's get this going. Getting this going here. All righty. All right, randomized dice. And randomized teams. That is good. Randomized list. All right, for these two cards right here, randomizing them off. Getting on into this right now. Everyone at home, everyone that's on the computer. All right, we're going to do the dice roll. Let's do these two teams. First, we're going to do the Clavon Chasen and Patrick Queen. So we're going to type in Ravens, or we'll do Jaguars. Ravens. All right, let's see the dice first. Let's see what we got to do. We have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, here we go. First randomizer. 1, Jaguars. 2, Jaguars. 3 Jaguars. 4 Jaguars. And 5 Jaguars. Heading to the Jaguars, Clavon Chasen and Patrick Queen round numbers. All right, we are doing this card now. We are doing the Justin Herbert, Jordan Love. We got the Chargers, and we have the Packers. All right, for the dice, we have 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So it's going to be hit 9 times. Chargers, Packers. Roll 1. Chargers. 2. Chargers. 3. Packers. 4. Chargers. 5. Chargers again. 6. Packers. 7. Packers. 8 Packers, and for this card right here, the Herbert and Jordan Love, it is heading to the Chargers. Justin Herbert and Jordan Love, round numbers, getting randomized off to the Chargers. All right, everyone, I appreciate it. Thank you all for joining Scooter Sports Breaks. Don't forget to check our breaks out tomorrow night. We have two baseball, Sapphire Edition Topps Chrome Update, and Topps Holiday 2020. Going to be big. Also, next week, I am so excited to break 2021 cards. Cannot wait. Topps Series 1, 2 jumbo box break is happening next Sunday. Check our site out, scootersportsbreaks.com. It's been a pleasure, but signing off for now. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Have a great night. Signing off, scootersportsbreaks.com.